All right. We got Chris Cardona, our Vice President of, would you just say it is?
Business development?
Business development. So, Chris, tell us what creativity is in your words.
So the way I think of creativity, I think of people who have the ability to think of alternative ways of doing things, or think of new, who can come up with, I don't want to use the word creative in my answer, but people who can think about things, whether it's a process or an idea that is new, and they can kind of create that themselves instead of kind of being stuck in what people always do or the same kind of process.
Awesome. And innovation?
So innovation, I probably think of it more, I probably associate it more with technology. In ways in which technology can change the way we do things, and the way in which new technologies start to emerge that never even existed before. So an example of innovation I can think of is, for the last 15 years, I've been typing a password into my phone. And Google did a great job of innovating by just putting a fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone, and I don't have to enter a password on any of my apps anymore or on my phone anymore. I just touch my finger to the phone and it opens.
Awesome. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, John or Tom?
Sure, I'll jump in.
Okay, this is Tom Caswell. Tom's our Director of Learning Engineering, and will you tell us what creativity is in your words?
I think creativity is really doing new things and using experiences from your past to combine them and come up with new ways of thinking about a problem or solving a problem. And a lot of that has used technology in the recent past, but it could just be solving a problem in a very simple way that no one's really thought of before.
And innovation?
I really think of innovation in much the same way. It's I think innovation might be to me, innovation sounds like it has a technology component. Maybe it doesn't always have to, but I think a lot of innovation these days does have to do with better and better technologies to solve problems.
Awesome. Thank you. John, are you ready?
Hang on, I'm getting buckled.
You can set it on 2x if you want, but
All right, John Mott, our Chief Learning Officer. What is creativity in your words?
Creativity to me is when you understand a process or a system or the rules of a context well enough that you can start pushing the boundaries and breaking the rules without causing the entire system to fall apart, and you start forcing it to move in new and different directions. That can be in a medium like painting or sculpting, or it can be in government or education or business. So creativity is understanding the context well enough to know where you can push and turn and twist to move forward or to expand what's possible without fundamentally breaking or destroying the environment that you're being creative in. Innovation, I think, is about using creative tools, techniques, processes to remove waste and inefficiency from value chains. So if there's a scenario where value is moved from point A to point B, if you can use a technology to prevent it from having to stop at point C in between, that's innovation to me.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And this is Michael Atkinson, and we're in Baltimore on our way to DC in an awesome Uber. And that's creativity and innovation. Thank you.